Hello, welcome back to Curls by Charlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask infused with biotin. I'm going to take you through step by step how I deep condition my hair or use a hair mask. Hi guys, so I've just finished shampooing my hair. This is what I used. The Happy Naturals, as you can see, is the coconut and rooibos moisture-rich ingredients to help restore and nourish. So I shampooed my hair with this. I did put a few drops of tea tree as well, just because my scalp was a bit itchy. I conditioned my hair, so I haven't detangled at all. I used the Maui Moisture as a conditioner, if you can see it. This is a volume boost. I don't really need volume, but it's really nice, this one. And bamboo fibers for fine hair in need of a lift. I'll put a link so you can see more on this. But I've shampooed and conditioned and I haven't detangled at all. So if you see, oh, you see, just from that shampoo and conditioner, this is how far I can go. It's got knots galore, like it's proper knotty. So now we're gonna try out the deep conditioner and see, or hair mask, and see how it works. This is my hair at the moment. I've just rinsed it, so it's dripping. I usually split my hair in two, and I do it down the middle. So I just take, let's give it a smell. It's a very light rosemary mint. It's more like a mint. I don't even smell the rosemary in it, but that's what it looks like. If you can see, this is the texture, so it's quite a thick, very thick consistency. And yeah, I just basically put lumps. We'll put it there, it's easy to access. And apply. I don't finger detangle. I haven't finger detangled at all. So, oh yeah, the scent is much stronger when you apply it. That mint, you can really smell it now. But see how it goes. Applied it. My hair, seems to be drying already. Oh, look. Finger detangle, try a little bit. That's what it looks like before you've detangled. I'm using my favorite brush at the moment, the Tangle Teaser, and I just start from the bottom, start from the root, going up. And there you go. That's quite good, actually. You see the difference? Can you? Usually I section my hair in fours, like before I got this brush, but after I acquired this brush, no need guys, no need whatsoever. Look at that. You can even go from the top to the bottom. Smooth. If you would like a review on this brush, I have done one already. I'll put a link below to the video that I've done. That's how much hair so far. My whole head. That's nothing. You want to know how much hair I used to lose before? Tons, mate. Tons. But anyway, this is so much better. So much better. Wow. Look. Haha. Yep, okay. It's doing a great job, I must say. So that's how much hair has been lost so far. Now we're gonna twist to encourage the curls, and this gives you better option to get at the roots. Get it right where it's needed. And we're gonna twist, just a 2-strand twist. This is to remind our curls that they can curl, because your curls have memory. Did you know that? Your hair has memory, shall I say. So when it thinks about, hey, I used to curl before. Yeah, you did, really easily. There you go. Smooth. Sounds like knots. But this is the first time detangling. I haven't washed my hair in a week, yeah? So this is detangle day. Should be hard work. Smooth. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Bit more. You say your hair does need to be wet for this. Don't put this on dry hair, because you probably waste the product. Sorry, I dropped the brush. But yeah, we wanna just brush up all those knots. And then we're good to go. And then, as I said, 2-strand twist. Yeah, it's done really well. I said, don't do this on dry hair because you'll just waste the product, and your hair, when your hair's dry, I would say it wants moisture. Our curls want moisture, so start. Yeah, you see those knots? Proper hardcore, man. I'm dropping everything. I apologize for the noise. This doesn't take me long at all. So you want to make sure you have a hair mask and you deep condition your hair once a week. This product, it's good. I must say the mint smell is much stronger when it's in your hair than when you're just applying it. Like when you brush it through. Hopefully you can hear me over the brushing. Am I talking loud enough? There's a knot there I can feel. It's out. Just like that. And twist. I wouldn't even say wet it a bit more, because my hair just seems to dry when there's no products really, really quickly. It's a bit strange, eh? But just put a product in there, and we've been waiting for hours. It smells nice. They're pretty nice. Okay, there you go. There you go. So far, that's a bit more hair. It's more like what I lose. Just, how long does it take me to do the, say one of these? Seconds. Done. That's real time. I haven't sped it up at all. Your wash days can be easy. Don't have to take all day. Maybe to dry, but the actual process of having you twist and do all these things, do the twist, do deep condition, shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes each wash day. And you need to do a wash day at least once a week. If you can push it to 2 weeks, go for it. But I say it's good to deep condition your hair once a week at least. At least. And if you're transitioning, I'd say twice. Twice a week you need to get the moisture back in. Get those curls remembering what they can do. Kick them into gear, you know? Because they will love you. And you will love yourself. And your hair, obviously. Hope you like my bathroom. Because this is where I'm filming today. The light's pretty good. If I say so myself. My hair is loving this product. So far so good. We shall see when we rinse and all that, but the moment, very good. Very, very good. There you go, we're on the last bit. Should we just do just one big one? Yeah. They don't have to be a particular size because this is to help the hair. Now, after this, you can put on a heat cap for say 5 minutes. Should do the job. I use a hairband. What I do is I steam it in the shower. So this is when I have a good clean. And the steam from the shower penetrates the mist into my hair, opens the cuticles so the product can absorb into your lovely hair follicles, cuticles. And yeah, the deep condition begins. So I'm going to turn the shower on. I'll see you after I've had a good clean. And I'll show you what it looks like. And I'm back. I wanted to show you how much I actually used. I don't know if you can see. It's not even a quarter. Psh, on my whole head. This is very good value for money. Very, very good. So that's all I used. Just that much. Brand new. Yeah, I just opened it. So that is very good value for money. Consistency. So you don't need as much as other products, but this one, a little went a long way. Usually I'm quite generous because we want it to soak up big time. So I'm loosening them now. I've had my shower. Usually I put a plastic bag. I mean, you can put a shower cap on, and that way it's all nice and warm. But you can hear this dripping, can't you? Just close it. Don't waste your water. Yeah, so I usually use a plastic bag. Reuse those plastic bags. Don't waste them. You don't want to have so much plastic in the ocean. Reuse, reuse, reuse as much as you can, you know? Look at this. Look. Yay. It's pretty good. I mean, the only downside is this mint is pretty strong when you put it on your head. I mean, it's mint and rosemary. So rosemary is very good, and so is mint, but the mint is very strong. As long as you don't mind the strong. I suppose it clears my nasal as well. Clear those nostrils. Here we go. I'll rinse it in front of you so you can see. You can see exactly what it looks like. Here we go. Ta-da! And that's it already. Wow, that's a lot of product. A lot. This is very good. Like, look at that. I don't know if you can see. There you go. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. The way I've wasted the flow. It's bad. Okay. So, here we go. Rinse. Pretty good. I think I'll detangle when I'm rinsing. And look, I just want to show you. Run my fingers through my hair. Like, look at this. No knots. None whatsoever. And that's the overall hair loss. That's the overall. Okay. So now I rinse it again just with cold water. So just a quick rinse, your last rinse. So that was still lukewarm. It wasn't hot, but it was warm. It was warm for your body, you know. But don't ever put hot hair on your scalp because that's what causes frizz, guys. Go for the cold wash. There we have it. We're done deep conditioning. Ooh, that's nice. I mean, just look at these results. I would recommend using this product 100%. It's fire. It's so good. Now we've just got one more step to go, and then we're done. See the back. There we go. Good, right? Very good. So now I do it, yeah? I'm so eager to go. I am dripping like something else, okay? So the last thing I do is do a big 2-strand twist. And this makes it easy and stops the knots from accumulating when you style. Anyway. And then we're all ready to style. I'll show you the end result and I'll do another video. Stay tuned on how I style it with the new brush that I bought. Not sure I like it, but I've used it once and maybe I rushed it. Who knows? But it is time. Okay. Woo. See you on the flip side. And these are my results. Yep. That was day 1. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Charlene. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I mean, talk about definition, right?